There is this speculation everywhere. Fubara is not a call Ijaw. Fubara is a half-baked Ijaw. Ijaw is not complete without Opopo. So whoever is feeding you people with that information, they should go back to their history classes. You can't talk about the just struggle without the Opopo, the Boni, the Calabaris. We had our own line, trade line at that time. And for you to occupy a trade line, it means you are a true German. So for the record, I'm a full-blooded, up to my bone, I'm a German. Today, I'm happy, although sad, to say that one of the people, respected leaders that has voice, that can look at people and tell them the truth, is no more. I'm urging every one of you here. What is important is not we wearing big etibo, wearing our top hat, is being firm. When we see white, we call it white. And when we see black, we say this is black. This is one of the future noted for the Ijaw Kingdom. Even when our great-grandfathers were under inhuman condition, treated like whatever, they did not subject themselves to the colonial slavery. They were able to raise their head and also died in the struggle of saying this is right and this is wrong. For his funeral, I therefore use this medium to extend my condolences to the great people of Calabar.